So check it out. This is a Marx E7 long pilot. This is the earliest version that they made. I think it was the nicest looking version. I wish I had a time machine. I'd go back and beg the Marx engineers to leave the pilot long. I know they had a problem with the mold and getting them out of it, and so a lot of them broke. So they shortened the pilot and changed the coupler. But anyway, I decided to repair this one. I was debating on whether to use it as a custom or not, but the paint, especially on the cab, is so nice. I just decided to repair it. There was a big chip out of the rear roof. I can kind of let you see that. I used milliput putty. I tried to match the paint as best I could, but it's kind of hard to match the original paint spot on. So I got that repaired, and I also put a motor in it. I used the same original motor that came with it. This is the earliest E7. It's got the gearing on the flanges. It is double reduction, but as I said, it has the gearing on the flanges, and it wasn't one of the best pullers that Marx ever made because, for starters, the E7 shell is plastic and it's lighter. But there are things that you can do to make these run better and to make them pull better. And the biggest thing is, if you notice on mine, the wheels are all nice and clean and shiny, as well as the pickup plate. That's one of the biggest things. And then the next thing is I always put new motor brushes in them. That makes them perform so much better. Usually if there's any problems with performance or they're running erratic, you put a new thing of motor brushes in them and you'll see that they'll have a whole different attitude. So we're going to run this one. I've got 9 cars behind it. It's not, like I said, the lightest train. The caboose is a Lionel, and so that's got 2 roller pickups on it. There's also a pickup on the Searchlight car. So we're going to see how it does, and I think you'll be surprised at how you can get these to perform. And we'll pick the camera up this time around, just follow it. Put the camera back down gently if we can. There we go. All right, it's a good runner. Paint looks really good. I'm glad I decided to salvage this one rather than custom paint it because the paint's so nice in it. And these are less common. I'm not going to use the word rare. I know they like to throw that word around on eBay, but they are less common as they were only made 1 year. And so thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.